I know I'm not in there.
Real women, we pump our own gas. But if you want to pay for my gas, you can do that though. And that's what he's doing. He's paying for my gas right now, okay? So you can send it on Apple Cash. You got Apple Pay.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get to stay.
So my pre-workout came in. I poured in my water. And I got this one. This is the best one ever. So let's go. They literally only had 2 left. The air is blowing. Turn the air off, please. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So right now we're at the Apple store because she's buying her laptop for school. So that's what we're doing. We are, folks. Bailey, are you excited? How's this feeling with normal? What? Girl, when I got mine, you understand how excited I was. I worked so hard, I was happy.
Well, it ain't happened yet. I learned in life not to get your hopes.
Now that's true if you grew up in Bright, baby. Don't get your hopes up until you have it in your hand, until you living in the house, the apartment, whatever it is that you on that campus. All right, let's go. Open the door.
Kenny.
What were you thinking? Have you had a chance to kind of look at
Yes. I want this one in 13.
And you want which silver?
Yes.
And you want the entry level 256?
Yes.
Is this for transactions? Maybe at this computer.
Okay.
But you're not concerned with anything. Do you have a student ID or do you have your email from school? That's all I need for the discount. The discount for the computer is going to go down to $740 from $999.
Okay.
And then the AirPods, these are free. And then your Apple Care was $199. Yep, that's it.
Thank you. You need to hold it tighter than that, honey. What'd you say? So, since my bunny died, I decided, you know what, I'm sad I came to Apple to buy a new iPad. Whatever, let's do it. I know it's not worth it at all. So I got it because I'm a boss chick. Let me get my keys out before I yeah. So, I got it. It came with AirPods. I don't need them all. Here.
When you come.
Stop. Don't look at me. But no, for real, excuse my appearance. I look so rough, but we got to start the vlog right now because, yeah. So, actually, my sister leaves for college tomorrow. I just did my hair last night. It's not, like, fully dry. Sure. Anyway, so we're starting. We got to go shopping for all her stuff today. We got to put her clothes away, get them washed, separate them, everything. She leaves tomorrow night, and yeah, so we're gonna go into the pit, her room. Okay, let's go. All right. So right now we're sorting the clothes, trying to separate everything, and I'll get it together.
I know I'm not in there.
Because technically, by the Lululemon sorcery, them clothes is mine. Now what? Snatch, snatch, snatch.
You can keep the orange one.
The orange one is mine.
That's what I'm saying. You can keep it. I'm not taking it. That's why I'm not wash. No, I'm not taking the orange one. That's why I wasn't gonna wash it right now.
Oh no, it sounded like you said I can keep it, like you giving it to me. I'm like, hold on a second, you ain't giving me shit. I'm gonna do this with whites though. Oh my god, Bailey, you want some of my merch?
No.
You okay? Damn. They always say it's the ones closest to you that don't ever support you.
It's not even out.
Holy fucking smokes, I got my money out. Ooh. And I'm changed. Okay, so this is just these spandex. I guess, see, these was biker shorts before biker shorts was like a thing.
Okay.
Yeah, these is real biker shorts. These is the Nike Pros, period. I've had these for forever. And then this is my Lululemon tank. Dang, little mama, you are such a loser. Okay. Why are you staring at me? Y'all, having a sister who's evil is just something else. You sure you weren't supposed to be a Taurus? Anyway, so right now we gotta go get her some.
Probably not. If my birthday's the same.
Okay. Anyways, we are about to go right now because she needs to get some bands for her braces. And then we also have to get washing powder to wash her clothes. We got other errands we gotta run, but I guess we're not doing that right now. But
One big round that's gonna make me go in that. It's okay, that's how I get the
I can't believe you don't like her.
She's just annoying. Like, that song's not that.
Other one, get
Yeah, like, shut the hell up.
Bailey, something about to ask you. Okay, sorry. I was trying to add that really quickly because I saw it on my wallet. Look at all my passes, bro. Damn. Because I be traveling out here in the streets. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me get some gas. Yeah, I rolled the window down for it. It's hot.
Only a little.
Well, shit. You know what I meant? Damn.
Turn that off.
Turn what off?
Or take it.
You couldn't see you?
I know it could have, but that's way too soon.
Girl, I don't like my sister. Like, I'm about to pay at the pump. Apple Pay. And just like that. I always get a receipt. Real women, we pump our own gas, okay? But if you want to pay for my gas, you can do that though. And that's what he's doing. He's paying for my gas right now, okay? I see you can send it on Apple Cash. I got Apple Pay.
Oh, did you pay at the pump? I was like,
I always pay at the pump, but this one I did Apple Pay. It was on my Apple Cash.
wait, you smart.
Where you get everything. I like pulled my hair up in like a little clip. I need to redo it because it's all falling out. But basically we're about to see what all we can get in here at Target for 80 bucks. So let's go to town, why don't we? First up, she got the shower caddy. $8, guys. She got this one. Hangers, I always say get black because you can get, because black you can buy anywhere. These colors are seasonal colors, so when you want to get new ones, you ain't gonna be able to find them. So always get black or white. There's white too if you want white ones. You want black? Okay. Shoes. Shower shoes are okay. $6.
Small. This is a small.
It's extra small. And the hangers are $2.25 in case you need some hangers.
I need towels.
Washcloths and towels are over here. They're usually like $3, I believe, though.
That mesh is better than this.
She's okay, yeah. She's getting the green shoes instead. Those bowls, I just love that setup. And then she got washcloths.
That's it. I need to rinse 3 sets of towels.
Yeah, these are actual washcloths. They're usually like $3 or something, but she decided to get the green ones instead of the black ones.
Oh, I need a set for my body. That looks for my face.
I'll get a different color.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. I don't.
You could do the green, it'll just match. Yeah, they're soft. I was making sure there was soft materials. And she went with, these are for her body, and then these are for her face. If you don't know how to use white washcloths for your face. You could get the little trash can. And, I mean, I know it's like cheap, but I mean, it doesn't. I mean, it's just, you know. So she picked up this towel, that towel, because she needs 3 of them, but she already has one at home. So yeah, they both were $4. Next. Now on my favorite one, especially if you're living in a
3
dorm.
of each color, like three of these and 3 of the green.
Yeah.
Should I get black or none?
Yeah, that's cute. With the green, and then yeah, that'd be a cute aesthetic. But these are my favorite bowls ever, even if you live in a house, but especially because you don't have to worry about them breaking. Like, they're just the best, I promise.
I'll order the plates. I don't think I'll need plates.
I never end up actually using them now that I think about it. But
Do I need cups?
yes, you're gonna need cups. These are the 3 here, and they're super cheap, but they don't feel cheap. They're the best for noodles. So even if you have dishes, get them for some noodles. So like I said, they're 50 cents. So we can add it up in a second. They're kind of the same, honestly. Oh, did you get some of the short ones? See, I mixed mine up. See, I got some short, and then I got some tall. You don't have to, but if you want it, you could. You could do those. The bowls and stuff was like $6 for all the bowls, and then the cups was $4.50. Just so you know. We're gonna go. I don't know what we're looking for now. Here, like all the stuff you need for college. That's the stuff you have to buy in KC, stuff to buy at Target, and stuff to buy at Walmart. And that's just leftover stuff. Plates and bowls, we got that. Oh, did you want to get sheets here? You could get those for real at Grandma's card if you really wanted to. It's just sheets.
26.
Yeah, you need, if you want, y'all need this. Everyone wants a mattress topper, and yeah, that's cool for extra cushion, but like for sure when you go, you need something to be covering your mattress and as a pillow, because bed bugs and other people have been sleeping on it. It's disgusting. So we got that. How much you got left now? 26. We'll get the comforter now. Or would you? Yeah, because comforter is your main thing. Sheets we can always get later. She got that one. Do you want to just go ahead and get a pair? Just at least get everything in the sheets. Or you can get something like that. So
$5. I guess this would go best. Or the oranges.
The orange works too, though.
They play such a though.
They do. Bag. Let me get the bag. Yeah, you don't know how to bag. Well, I gotta tell you what the hem is, so I'll give it to you. I do it by groups.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl.
I can tell you're sitting in that chair with that loud TV on. No, you weren't. No, you weren't. And I also track you. No, you weren't.
Is that what you went to when we pulled up? Yep. I thought I saw that.
Because we were like, I mean, we can wait for him. I'm like, let me check this.
Well, I just meant because of your mouth. I just know you gotta.
I know it's surely in pain and moving, but. You're like, oh, I never wear my hands. That's why your teeth look like that.
I'm about to eat some cake stuff. Oops. Ryan, I saw your TikTok. My TikTok? Your TikTok. I mean, TikTok for Anne. That's my sister. Oh, right, that is your sister. I haven't even seen it yet.
Yeah, I haven't posted it yet.
Now we washing some clothes. Oh, this is. There we go through this stuff right here. Dirty. See what I'm saying? These are butter clothes. Oh. Okay, I don't know if you want no lounge clothes.
Yeah, but I'm on a limb roller.
Hey, we can get. Okay. Keep going. Do your thing.
You should go.
You can put down the light. Actually, I'm gonna just FaceTime me and I never called that woman. I called Nana. Anyways, okay. So here's how you're gonna wash some clothes. First.
Okay, it's the dramaticness for me to be pissing me off. So let's just get to it.
No, let me shut up, Belly, because I'm talking. I've put it down already. First off, there's two routes. Okay, there's Kennedy's route where I throw all my stuff together, but you might not want to do that.
I found it.
You want to wash it?
My wig dirty.
Okay, well, wash it with your towels and stuff and you wash them. Remember, we gotta wash that stuff too. But anyways, okay. So, I throw all my stuff together. You don't like to do that probably. It's okay. Yeah, I wash whites and colors, you know, whatever. We do it all together. But what you want to do is separate your jeans, because jeans can fade off the other stuff. So wash your jeans together if you have enough jeans to wash at one time. And then you're going to wash your colors. So you can come over here, take some powder, whatever washing powder you like. Do you know how many scoops you use? Miss Ma'am, do you know how many scoops you use? Hurry. I do as many as I feel it's needed. Okay. You're gonna come over here. What's this stuff supposed to be on? The little tabs.
Depends on what it is. What's its color?
Solid
It's
level.
colored.
How heavy you want it?
Heavy.
Okay. It's usually this ain't here. Colors is not
Your
off.
freaking nails popping.
That's
Cool.
it. So what color, which level does it be on for color clothes?
Hot. Cold.
Cold. Colored clothes is hot. White clothes is cold. Okay.
Did you just flip that? Say that shit again.
Colored clothes is cold. White clothes is hot.
Okay.
Then you're gonna go over here. Who put that on there? If you got delicate stuff, you can do that. But I don't think your dog's gonna have. It ain't gonna have all this. Let me tell you that right now. All right.
Same.
You saying it's skirt? I don't know who put it on tomato. But we gonna start it. We gonna start that shit. Let's go. And she won't let me take a power nap, so we gonna take our power nap.
Kidney, power nap. It is about to be 5 o'clock. You don't need no damn power
I
nap.
haven't had a nap today.
So,
Billy, you know how draining.
don't give a damn.
Okay. Cheers, guys.
Okay, so the sweetie meal.
Okay, so I just dropped my sister off. She just ooh, snap, my hair getting tangled already. Dang, I can't ever figure this out. I'm getting annoyed. Okay, so my camera storage is full, so I gotta clean that out. But anyways, right now I'm actually my hair. I just took my sister, she's getting her hair braided, and then yeah. So now I'm headed, I need to get a car wash because I need to clean my car out, just I need to in general. But also I'm actually going to the Chiefs training camp tomorrow to watch them practice. So I'm just gonna make sure my car is clean before heading up there. And then I need to go to Walmart, get groceries and get stuff for her college. What else I need to do? And I need to wash again. So yeah, we gotta finish washing. So that's what I'm about to go do. My sister leaves tomorrow, so I just went to the car wash to wash my car out, so it feels a little bit better because, like I said, I go to the Chiefs training camp tomorrow. So I wanted to make sure my car was clean for driving up there and stuff. I have an extra ticket, but I'm just gonna go by myself, and I'm really not tripping, honestly. I'm cool. I don't know, when I'm sitting there watching a game or whatever, practice in this case, I'm excited. This is the only thing, because I moved, so I won't be doing any Kansas City and